Hello, my name is Kelly Madrid. Today's day is May 12th, 2019, and we'll be doing a video exercise of how to label the picture. So as you can see right here, I have my lab report assistant up already. So I'm unable to right click and copy the picture. So what I'll be doing is Shift Command 3 to screenshot the picture. So I'll minus this, and then the screenshot's right here off to the side, as you can see. I'm gonna double click it. So I'm gonna crop it. I'm gonna highlight what I need, which will be this part right here. So as soon as I do this, I'll go up right here to crop. And then it's gonna say crop, so I'll crop. And that image saves as that, so I can exit off of that. Then I'm gonna go right here on the side corner where I have my internet stuff on the side. I'm gonna pull off my internet, log into my email, and then I'll be going to this thing right here, the Google Apps. I'll click on that, and then I'll go on to the drive. When I go on to the drive, I'm gonna go off to the corner right here that says new, and I'm gonna put more and do Google Drawings. Okay, so then this will pop up. When this pops up, you're gonna go to Insert, go to Image, and then Upload from Computer. So I'm gonna just enter the screenshot picture that I took from my desktop. So then right here, I'll click on desktop, and then the screenshot's right there. Double click and it pops up. It does look small, so I'm kind of gonna mess with it a little bit, make it a little bigger than what it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go off here to the corner and just drag it out, and that's how it comes bigger. So then I'll go here and then crop this part out, just because I just want the picture alone. Okay, so then I have these other tabs saved. So right here, it's basically saying for us to label the acidophil cell, the basophil cell, and the pituitary nucleus. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my drawings. I'm gonna click this text tool right here, text box. I'll click on that, and I'm gonna label the anterior and posterior pituitary. So back here will be the posterior. The background, I am gonna change it, actually, right here, to white. Oh, it didn't change. I'll do it after. All right, so it's posterior, there you go, pituitary. All right, and then I'm gonna do the text box again and do it from this side as well. And this will be the anterior pituitary. I'm gonna highlight it and then change it to white, okay, just so you can see the lettering, okay? You can also mess with the font and the size, but I actually leave it like this. If I do need it bigger, I will change it. Okay, so now we're gonna label the acidophil. I'm gonna click on this text box again, right here. I'm just gonna create that text box. Click this right here, the highlight color, and put it white, and put acidophil cell. And as I read the experiment, it said the acidophil are stained red. So I'm gonna locate one that is red, which is right here that I see. So I'm gonna click right here on the line, gonna change that line to an arrow, and then right here, gonna left click it and then just put it right there. And that's one of the labels. And do that again for the basophil. I'm gonna click on the text, highlight again. Actually, let me do it a different area from there just because it's really close. Let's click on the text box again. So right here, it's gonna be basophil cell. I'm gonna highlight it to change the color background to white, right here. I'm gonna click on this line again, well, it's arrow, and then right here, where I see a blue one, be right there. All right, so we're gonna do that the same thing on the pituitary nucleus, all right? We're gonna click on the text box, and we know that the pituitary nucleus is on the posterior pituitary gland. It's not in the anterior. So I'm gonna do that and then type it in. Pituitary nucleus. Gonna highlight it and change the background to white. Okay, then I'm gonna click on the arrow again and then just label one. Left click and label one right there. All right. Then I'm gonna save this as labeling, and then I'm gonna go to File, Download as JPEG, and that will pop up. I'm gonna exit off of that, put this minus, and then bring up my lab report again, right here. I'm gonna delete this picture just because I don't need this picture. And I'm gonna put enter a little bit so my picture can appear larger. I'm gonna pull up my Finder, and then I'm gonna search labeling, which on my recents. I know there's an easier way of doing this, but I like to be a little bit complicated. So it's right there, as you can see. Literally just gonna pick this out and drag it. Let me put this minus, and it uploads to the lab report. And I'll continue doing this for my other labelings that I need to do. Thank you so much.